What's up everyone, it's James from Jeeping Adventure, and today we're going to get rid of this antenna. The reason why, it does not work. I get constant static and it is complete garbage. So we're going to replace it with a Ronin. You might see these guys all over. It is a veteran company, which is pretty sweet. Made in the USA. Can't believe it. So we're going to add this and hopefully we get some better reception. Let's see. Alright, so this is how it sounds right now. You can hear that static. Hopefully this fixes it. Let's check it out. Alright, so opening this thing up. Take the top off here. Uh-oh. It's a little windy today. I think we're going to have some rain. There we go. Looks like we got ourselves a little sticker here. Killer. And here it is. It's a bullet antenna. Pretty sweet. It's actually going to be a little shorter than what I have right now. So that's cool, but let's just see if it gets better reception. That's what I'm interested in. As you heard that static, hopefully this fixes that problem. Alright, all I needed to take this off is a 10 millimeter. And then now that it's loose, I can just twist it right off. Let's put the new one in. So you might have to play with this if you want like the emblem facing out, or if you want the RF. I want the emblem facing out as much as possible. So I'll be spinning this to make sure that that is spinning out. So let me play with this for a little second. Alright, got my emblem facing out and it is completely installed. Let's go listen to this thing and hope it sounds better than what it was. Alright, so that's a wrap. I'm going to throw the link to the actual antenna in the description of the video, so make sure you check them out. Pretty awesome. It's great for the trails because now my antenna is not going to be stuck on trees like it has been and getting all floppy. And of course, as you saw, it no longer has that static, so that is fantastic. But give the video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and scroll down and check out my other videos. I had one yesterday that I know you're going to love, and it is the exhaust. I did the exhaust for the Jeep for under $80. You cannot beat that. Killer. It was super easy to do. All you need really is a sawzall and a tape measure. But make sure you check out the video. I hope you enjoy it. Other than that, y'all have a great day.